Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, which is a really good phone, and this is the specification of the phone. As you all guys can see, infinity display, super AMOLED, triple camera like Huawei P20 Pro, and this is the phone. You all guys can see this is a triple camera with a flash. In the front we have a camera and also with a flash, and this is the package of the phone. Let's see what we got. This is some paper, and we also got a case, nice of the Samsung, to include a case, and also an adapter and a micro USB with a regular headphone and SIM ejector tool. So guys, this is all. Now we will open the phone, which I mean, sorry guys, by booting up the phone. Now we will boot up the phone and see what time it takes. But before that, let's see the box of the phone. As you all guys can see, this is 4G LTE octa-core processor, and this is the screen, 6-inch, 24 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel wide angle, 24 megapixel front camera with 128 GB of internal storage with 4 GB of RAM. And all you guys can see, this is the phone, and we have installed some apps on it to show you how it performance. But I hate this is just like the iPhone with this on the camera. Now let's open a game, pubg, which is a lot of people playing it. Let's see, it asks for downloading the resources. Let's close everything in the background and make the brightness a little bit higher. And you all guys can see this is some opening apps. This is the Facebook on the phone, YouTube. Please guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, and all the phones I am buying by myself with my own money. Please like the video if you like it, and this will be a huge support for me. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video and subscribe to my channel, it will be a huge support for me. I wish you that, and this is Aritik. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and peace out, and don't forget to wait for comparison with other phones, and any phone you want to comparison with it, tell me in the comment section below, and I will do it as soon as possible as I can. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please.